I reviewed over 4,281 Upwork proposals over a 6-month period. And after 15 years on the platform and over $1 million earned, I can tell you something most freelancers do not want to hear. It's not your writing that is the problem. It is not your experience, and it is definitely not the number of connects you are using. The real reason you are not getting responses is because you are not following the patterns that actually win. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 3 patterns that showed up again and again in the proposals that got replies, interviews, and contracts. Because once you see this, you will stop guessing and you will start writing proposals that actually work. Now, before we get into the patterns, you need to understand something. Winning on Upwork is not about writing the perfect proposal. It's about matching the right job at the right time with the right positioning. And most freelancers skip that part. They focus on writing better when they should be focusing on selecting better. Now, let's get into the first pattern. The first pattern is what I call immediate relevance. The proposal that got response did not try to impress the client. They tried to match the job instantly. Within the first 1 or 2 lines, it was clear that the freelancer understood the problem. They used similar language to the job post. They referenced the exact type of work the client needed, and they removed all fluff. There was no introduction about their background, and there was no long explanation of their skills. There was only one goal: to show the client immediately that they were in the right place. Now compare that to what most freelancers do. They start with things like, I am excited to apply, or I have years of experience, or I would love to help you. None of that matters in the first few seconds because the client is scanning. They are not reading. And if your first line do not match what they are looking for, they move on. So the first pattern is simple: match the job immediately. Now, the second pattern is what I call proof over promise. The winning proposal did not tell the client what they could do. They showed the client what they have already done. And this is where most freelancers lose the opportunity. They rely on promises. They say things like, I can build your website, or I can help you grow your business, or I can deliver high quality work. But the proposals that win replace those statements with proof. They say, I recently built a similar landing page for a course creator, or I worked with a client in your industry and achieved this result, or here is an example of a project that matches what you are talking about. That shift changes everything because clients are not looking for potential. They are looking for certainty, and proof creates certainty. Now, here is the important part. The proof does not have to be perfect. It just has to be relevant. It has to connect to the job, because relevance builds trust faster than perfection. So the second pattern is this: show proof that matches the problem. Now, the third pattern is what I call clear next step. The proposals that got replied did not end with a vague closing. They did not say, let me know if you are interested. They guided the client to the next step. They made it easy for the client to respond. For example, they might say, if you want, I can review your current setup and give you a quick recommendation, or I can put together a short sample so you can see my approach, or I am available to start this week and can outline the first step for you. These are not pushy. They are helpful. They remove friction. And when you remove friction, you increase response rate. Now, here's what most freelancers do instead. They end their proposal with hope. They hope the client replies. They hope the client is interested. But hope is not a strategy. Guidance is a strategy. So the third pattern is simple. Give the client a clear next step. Now let's step back for a second. Because these three patterns only work if you apply them to the right job, and this is where most freelancers miss the biggest picture. You can write a perfect proposal, but if you are applying to low-intent jobs, it will not matter. Low-intent jobs are vague, they are unclear, and they attract a lot of proposals, and they usually lead to slow or no decision. High-intent jobs are different. They are specific. They show urgency. They often include clear deliverables, and they usually posted by clients who are ready to hire. So if you combine high-intent job selection with these three patterns, everything changes. Your response rate increases, your interviews increases, and your confidence increases, because now you are working with a system, not guessing your way through it. Now, let me give you a simple structure you can follow. First line, match the job. Use the client's language. Show that you understand the problem. Second section, show proof. Give 1 or 2 examples that directly connect to the job. Keep it short and relevant. Final section, give the next step. Make it easy for the client to respond. And that's it. No long paragraphs, no unnecessary information, just clarity, relevance, and direction. Now here is something important. This is not about writing more. It's about writing better in less space, because clients are not reading 10 proposals and details. They are scanning dozens. And your job is to stand out by being clear and not being long. Now I want you to think about your last few proposals. Did they match the job immediately? Did they include relevant proof? Did they guide the client to the next step? Or did they follow the same pattern most freelancers use? Because if they follow the common pattern, that is why you are not getting results. Not because you're not capable, but because you are not aligned with what works. And this is where everything shifts. When you stop trying to impress and you start trying to match, when you stop promising and start proving, when you stop hoping and you start guiding, that is when your proposal starts working. Now here is the final truth. Winning on Upwork is not about being the best writer. It's about being the most relevant option in front of the client at the right time. And relevance is built through patterns in your profile, patterns in your job selection, and patterns in your proposals. So if you want better results, do not just write more proposals, write smarter ones. Follow these 3 patterns, apply them consistently, and combine them with better job selection. Because when you do that, everything starts to change. You will see more replies, you will get more interviews, and you will start winning more jobs. Not because you got lucky, but because you finally understood the system. And once you understand the system, you stop guessing and you start building something that actually works. If you want help with this, then drop a comment below or join my Reset live stream where I break this down in real time and show you exactly how to apply it. Because freelancing is not about trying harder, it's about thinking smarter and using patterns that actually lead to results.